A power means actually which is a physical quantity. Okay, so which will help us to describe the fast or slowness of the work done by the body. So the given work, how fast or how slow the given body is completing, that we will understand from the concept of power. So that is what we used to call it as a power. So here, who is the matters? Anybody? Work done is not a matter. Who is matters? Work done per unit time. Time is a very important parameter in calculating the power. So suppose if I am doing, suppose both rendu person irukka. This is an old man. Let me take another, there is a young man. Okay. So now, let me take, for example, I say, so the both, they have traveled 1 meter distance, but old man taken 5 seconds, young man taken 1 second. So what is the work done by both, everybody? Work done by the old man and work done by the young man is both are equal. But who is more powerful? Anybody?
Young man.
Young man.
Young man.
You understand? He is doing the work in less time. So he is more powerful than the old man who is doing the same work but in more time. So for example, I will give a car to, let me take a person, Nivedan I will give. And Nivedan, I ask you to go from his home to school. Okay. So now one day he went by the car. Next day he went by the bicycle. So now both Mr. Nivedan, the distance traveled by Mr. Nivedan is same. One day by car, another day by bicycle. But who is doing the more work? Who is having more power? Bicycle is having more power or car is having more power?
Car.
Car.
Car is having more power because in car maybe he may reach there by half an hour, but in bicycle it may take 3-4 hours. So we can say we should know how much work is done per unit time. That is what we used to say parameter. We should know. Okay, should know how much. Mr. Gokul, do you understand, Mr. Gokul? How much work is done per unit time? Unit time. That is what is to call it as a, what is to call, everybody? We used to call it as, yes, please.
Power.
So right. What we used to say power means? So we can say that the work is done. We should know how much work is done per unit time. So write that power, the physical quantity which will tells us a physical quantity, a physical quantity which tells us how fast or slow, work is done. Work is done is known as what is to call, everybody?
Power.
Work is done is known as what is to call? Yes, please. Power. Okay. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Work is done as power. So from this I will say, so power gives the, what power gives us? Speed of doing work. Power gives the speed of doing work. Note it, everyone. Anybody having any doubt? You can ask. Clear? Understand? Kavya, Agalya, power will gives us speed of doing work. So note it, everyone. Speed of doing work. Mr. Mukesh, solving. Niroshi, understand, Niroshi?
Yes, sir.
From that I'll say power is equals to, What is the formula? Work done per time taken. Work done per time taken. So from that, I'll say power P is equals to W by T. Work done by time. All of you write it. Do you all understand, everybody? Clear? Yes, please. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, what is SI unit of power, sir?
I'll say you did. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Power. So now, we all knows that. Power. So all of you observe very carefully. I can write many formulas. Your book having maybe less, but you can write many things. So now, you can take many examples. As I said, a car is more powerful than bicycle, or a young man is more powerful than an old man. Or you can take a power of a man in taking the water bucket from, you can take like ground floor to the roof of a second floor. If you take, for example, you can notice it, all of you. If you observe, for example, suppose a person is moving from first floor to the ground floor to the second floor. Generally, I'm taking. Two boys, I asked them. So both asked them to carry a 20 liters of bucket from first floor, ground floor to the second floor. Now one boy will go within a minute. Second boy will take 2 minutes to go. Then who is more powerful? One boy is 1 minute. Another boy is in 2 minutes he is taking. So who is more powerful?
One by
Takes 1 minute.
A boy who takes 1 minute is more powerful than a boy who takes 2 minutes time. So that is what I am saying. And but you remember, here the more important thing will comes. For example, if I give a race, let me take two boys are running same distance of, let me take 100-meter race. A boy is running, single boy you consider. Do you think that the energy supplied by him, the running fast speed throughout the journey will be remain same? The running journey will be remain same. That is what is my question. Anybody? So at the beginning, he may run faster. When the time keep on increases, the speed of this body is definitely decreases. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Please respond. Yes. So that is what we used to call it as a average power. So when our rate of doing work is not remains constant, do you understand, everybody? So okay, total work done is remains same, but the doing in between that, sometimes you will do more faster, sometimes you will do less faster. For example, a boy is going from ground floor to second floor. Maybe at the beginning he may climb very fastly. After that, little slow. After that, again he may go fast. So like that, the continuous supply of energy or work done by the body is not remains constant. That is what in this situation we'll consider average power. Average power is equals to total work done. Total work done divided by total time taken. Total time taken. So then tomorrow I will say further about it. Just I'm saying you. You just remember that is a situation came, so I'm saying you now. Clear, everyone? So the total work done to the total time taken by the body to complete the given work, which is equals to average power. So total work done to the total time taken to complete the given work is average power. So now let me take this power. So what is the other formulas I can write? We all knows that work done is equals to something. Anybody can tell? Work done is equals to energy absorbed by the body or energy released by the body. So can I write power is equals to energy by time? Because both work done unit is joules, energy unit is also what? Joules. Do you all understand,
Yes.
everyone? Next, we all knows that work done is equals to force into displacement. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I can write power P is equals to force into displacement divided by time. I knows S is equals to H. So I will write power P is equals to F into H divided by T. I knows force is equals to mass into acceleration. So I will write force is equals to MAS divided by time. I knows F is equals to mg. So I will write power P is equals to mgh by time. And I think now you all able to catch it. Everybody clear?
Sir.
Yes. So these all are the formulas of power only. Of course, average power will come. That is all we'll discuss tomorrow's class. So this is what is power. So power is equals to work done by time. So the SI unit of power, standard international unit, SI unit of power is watt. So please write. SI unit of power is watt. Okay. So we'll discuss tomorrow. So watt is equals to work done unit is joule, time unit is second. So that is what watt is equals to joule per second. And one more most important thing I forgot to tell you. A power is a scalar quantity. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Are you understand, everybody? Hasini Sudhakar, clear? Understand? Yeah. So power is a scalar quantity. And what is the SI unit of power? Everybody?
Joule.
Yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is one. So it is a scalar quantity. Then from here, the average power and the other formulas of power, these all the things we'll discuss tomorrow. And what is the units? And what is the practical units of power? Okay. And then other things like you can take commercial unit of energy. That is all we'll discuss it. That's all. Then this concept will over. So mostly then tomorrow we'll finish this. And then 2-3 days we'll practice the numericals and other exercise things. And then after that we have to concentrate on next chapter. If it will complete it, then we will go with the directly, as I told you, simple missions I want to teach you for 9th basics, so that it will comes for 11th and 12th. It will be very easy for us. So the basic concept, that's what foundation. We'll go with the foundation and we'll study because we have a long time, more time for exams, more than 15 days. So mostly we'll study that simple missions. Okay, guys, it will be very important. It will be very interesting also. So we'll discuss that simple mission chapter. Okay, guys. And then after PT exam, we'll come back to the physics again, sound chapter, sound completed. Then chemistry is very important. That next chapter in chemistry is very important. That is what structure of atoms. Very, very crucial chapter for entire chemistry in higher classes. So that is also we'll study after the exams. Okay, everyone. So this is what is our plan. We'll see that we'll finish it by March. And March will, as soon as exams over, we'll go with the 10th class. Okay. So I hope today all of you understand well. So anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll stop here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
We'll meet tomorrow.